got you. Aw, the fabulous, but Nova still born. Hey Nova, I've trapped you. Nova! Nova! Oh, Joe and Nova. Hey Joe, how's it like being on fire? Oh no! Grrr! I need. Ugh. Disgusting! Joe! Oh, Joe! Nova! Oh my god. Nova! We sent Nova into a suicide. Hey, no. I'm gonna burn you. So, NPCs. Think of see them. Look at them. They're like synchronized. Zero. What's the matter? We're just backing off away from this slowly. We'll just search for background music to add to this boring atmosphere. And oh, fire furnace. Yes. Hello, Joe. Yes, I trapped you. And you stand there. Joe just lost gravity. Ah, we're gonna put the torch down for a minute. Gonna place it. Oh my god, I burned myself. What? I am yellow. Like, and what? Where'd my bomb go? It was a fake bomb. It was a hallucination. La 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 la. Joe got out. I'm back to terrorizing people again. Hey, no! That says for me! That says for me! Wait for him to burn down. That's right. Where'd my health go? Run. Alright, run. Then I'm gonna burn down. Stop burning. Let's burn Joe. I don't know where Nova went. But oh my god, this stupid bit. Why is it so deep? What is that? You poor thing. Oh my god, you poor thing. That's where the holes. You poor thing. Lizard, no. Lizard Queen. How'd you get balls? Why are you not out of your misery? Oh, I'm not a great climber. Oh my, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm dropping the items. God, why do you always have to burn your head? Alright. Alright, Nova's still stuck. We want Nova to explode, right? Where is Joe? Oh. Ah, no. Someone's gonna grab that. Oh my god, I burned myself again. Alright, Nova. Alright. We're placing down the torch for a bit. I've promised this. To put this down. And at that. Nova? Is it a Nova? Sounds like a call duck. What are you doing to poor Nova? Let Nova down. No! Nova! Nova, no! Where's Joe? Joe! Joe! Yo, Joe Mama! Guy, help your sister or whatever, girlfriend over here. You need... Oh, coffee! Oh, that's avocado. Oh my god. Wow! Can I grab the news? You want the challenger, boy? You get a challenger. Ah! Did you just slash me? Someone thought it was stuck. That's the sound of Vipa Max Chili and Dime. And I'm gonna eat it right after this video gets posted. Oh no, someone got the torch.